Morning, children. Today we have learned about the class 10th class. Small topic is there. The world between wars. We have to discuss about the world between wars. Class 10th. Okay. This is the very important beginning lesson. Okay. What is the wars happen in the world? Okay. We have happened in many things in the world between those countries. Beginning of the two important wars in our world, we know very well that First World War or Second World War. The introduction part is there. The world wars between the beginning of the 20th century, 1914 and 1939. These two things are happened in this century. This beginning of the 20th century, the world had a population 1.6 billion. World had a population 1.6 billion population at the time in 1914 that year. Now we have heavy population in the world, but the time people in the countries have industrial capitalism countries, more developed countries have changed this world. Let's come to the point. Britain was leading an industrial power in this world. Already the Britain had well-developed industrial country in beginning of the 20th century. At that point, the world divided into two economical groups or economical growth and backwardness countries. The world had been divided into two groups. Two groups means well-developed countries. Developed countries means industrial countries. Britain, one group also a leadership for this, and Britain, another group also backward countries. Backward countries means when they depend upon the colonial countries. Colonial countries means those who are countries ruled by Britain. Colonial countries, those are countries are called backwardness countries. Backwardness countries also one group. Another group also industrial developed group. 1914 before, the total situation understand. The famous historian has announced a quotation. Eric Hobsbawm, an historian, called this century the age of extremes. The age of extremes. The age means 20th century. Extremes means well developed. Well developed means backward countries also there. Well developed countries also there. Developed means at that time the world was literacy levels also average. Average literacy level. Poor backward countries in African, North American, South American continents. Here literacy level was very low level literacy level. And otherwise average expectancy, life expectancy also very poor. Growth also immensely. Otherwise include art like movies, telecommunication or technology, art like movies also. The development was very low. And scientific knowledge. Rapidly the scientific knowledge also well growing rapidly. The time in first of all in the world, have to take an example throughout the world. In Britain, women at the time 1918 the year, women got their right to vote in this period. Women got right to vote in this period. First of all, Britain women got their vote. They fought a number of times against the government in the Britain. Finally, the Britain government has decided to give the women's got right to vote in this year 1918. So at the same time, socialistic societies in Russia, China and communist countries, North American countries also, South American countries also, Cuba, Brazil, Venezuela, those are countries socialist societies based on the principles of equality. The time people fought against equality and fraternity. some most important the countries. Those countries are depend upon colonial countries. Colonial countries people fought against the who are the ruling countries against socialistic principles, equality and fraternity. Okay, these are causes will become in future generations became a wars created, became a wars in 1914, the first world war, the causes of the socialistic societies and socialism organizations. Next, okay children, next in this period saw the word Great Depression. Great Depression, in this world, the situation happened in the most country in Germany. Throughout the world, depression, a great depression. Depression means it is not a physical depression, economical depression. The prices increase and the food productions are low, are suffering the throughout the world people. It is called the depression. Depression means nearly inflation. Economical depression. It is a great depression. Economical depression happened in the 1929 in throughout the world. Mainly European countries suffering. Number of the countries about the Great Depression, suffering the Great Depression. Next, World Wars. Ominous facts. World Wars. Ominous facts are there. Okay, beginning of 20th century. The world was divided into a developed industrial countries of the West, including West and Eastern countries also. The West included countries, industrial developed countries, Britain, USA, Germany also there. Next, France, Italy, Japan. Japan also Asian country. France, Italy, Germany, Britain, USA, North America country also there. Okay, one North American country, another one Japan, Asian country, remaining all countries also European countries. These are all industrial well developed countries. They were divided into rival blocks. The competition between each other. They were divided industrial, technological, otherwise a competition each other. And there was divided to two groups. Two groups means Germany, Austria, Hungary, these made one group. Another against group also made Britain, France, Russia. Russia also Asian and both European countries also there, including a physical future. Britain, France, Russia. These the world's wars began between these two blocks. First of all, another point also there important. The First World War broke out in 1914. Ended in the defeat of Germany 1918. 1914 beginning year and ended up 1918. The First World War broke out in between the two blocks, Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Britain, France, Russia. Okay. Another main causes also there. Most important main causes have to write or discussion about the main causes.